Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about solar powered hydroponics irrigation systems. So this project is basically a combination of renewable solar energy with the modern hydroponic farming to grow plants efficiently using minimal water and space and without soil. That is the overall concept of this solar powered hydroponics. So let's understand what is all about hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead of soil, here we use nutrient-rich water that circulates through plant roots. So with this method, what happens is we are going to save water almost 90% compared to our traditional farming. And here the plants grow faster as well. And in addition to that, rather than using traditional power, which is electricity, grid electricity, which is coming from board, here we are making use of solar power. We make this overall system as a eco-friendly, energy independent ourselves because we are not dependent on the grid electricity. That is a concept we wanted to demonstrate using this solar powered hydroponic irrigation system. Let me explain how this solar hydroponic system really works. The solar panels, whatever you have kept, that is going to convert sunlight into electrical energy. That electrical energy is from this DC pump, which is going to push the water upwards. When the DC pump, which pushes the water upwards, what happens is whatever we have kept, the nutrient water that is going to travel through the pipe to the top layer. And gravity allows water to trickle down from that one layer to the next layer. Each plant is going to absorb nutrient through its roots. The unused, whatever the remaining or unused water will return back to the same tray which we have kept here. And this complete looping will happen entire day. This is the overall concept of a solar powered hydroponic system.